With multiple checklists for Jira, you can now add custom statuses to items from your checklist. This new feature will allow keeping track of improvement of any item from checklists. We provide 3 default statuses: in progress, blocked, and not applicable. As a Jira administrator, you can easily edit the status's style, like its name, color, and state. You can also delete any status that doesn't suit your work style or create a brand new one to fit your project more. To add status to your checklist item, click the wrapper and select the status you want to add. Note that if the status's state was set to complete, it will mark the item's checkbox automatically. Each of the set status can be changed or cleared at any time you want. If you want to keep it plain, you can always switch the statuses off and put them back on when needed again with all of the previously assigned statuses.